Arctic Report Card 2024. A recent report titled the 2024 Arctic Report Card by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration NOAA reveals that the Arctic, once a major carbon sink, is now becoming a carbon source due to ongoing climate-induced warming. Climate-induced warming. Arctic Report Card 2024. The rapid pace and complexity of Arctic change demand a new and strengthened Arctic adaptation and global reduction of fossil fuel. Global reduction of fossil fuel. What are the key findings of the report? The Arctic summer of 2024 was the third warmest on record, with regions like Alaska and Canada experiencing extreme heat waves. Permafrost, permafrost thaw is causing the Arctic tundra to switch from a carbon sink to a carbon source. Wildfires are increasing in frequency and intensity, releasing more carbon and extending the wildfire season. The extent and thickness of sea ice have reduced significantly over the past decades. The reindeer or caribou are in decline due to climate change affecting indigenous communities reliant on them for food and cultural practices. Changes in the Arctic contribute to global challenges like coastal flooding, extreme weather events, and wildfires. 2024 Arctic wide headlines: losing Arctic carbon sinks, wettest Arctic summer on record, second warmest year on record. October 2023 to September 2024 was the second warmest within 125-year record. A new Arctic regime that continues to change. Extreme conditions persist. Stark regional differences. Arctic hungers are key researchers supporting the indigenous Arctic livelihood is sustaining necessary knowledge for indigenous ways of knowing and research collaborations. North America caribou decline. Low numbers for five large inland herds are stable or declining. Contrasting snow seasons, dry versus wet conditions, dry winter in Greenland Sea, wet winter in Norwegian Sea, moderate Greenland ice loss, coolest western weather and limited ice loss, record low sea ice, Alaska extremes, healthy ice seals, Bering Strait populations are healthy despite warming. What is Arctic? What is Arctic? The Arctic is the northernmost polar region of Earth. It includes the Arctic Ocean, adjacent seas, and a part of Alaska, US, Canada, Finland, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Russia, and Sweden. The Arctic is characterized by its cold climate with temperatures often dropping below freezing. This is the map. Arctic Circle near Russia, and on east side, right side, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Iceland, and the lower region is Greenland, Denmark, Canada, and left lower region in is Alaska, US. In this map, the Arctic is characterized by its cold climate with temperatures often dropping below freezing. The Arctic is rich in natural resources, including wild natural gas and minerals, attracting significant international interest and competition for control over these resources. India India's Arctic region. India is engaged with the Arctic by signing the Svalbard Treaty. Svalbard Treaty, most important. In 1920, India began its Arctic research program in 2007 and launched its first scientific expedition to the Arctic Ocean and established the Himadri Himadri Research Base in the Svalbard archipelago, Norway. In 2008, India has held observer status in the Arctic Council since 2013. In 2022, the Indian government announced an Arctic policy aimed at engaging in climate research. The National Center for Polar and Ocean Research will be the nodal agency for its implementation. About National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. NOAA, a federal agency of the US, aims to understand and predict environmental changes, manage coastal and marine resources, and support informed decision making. The Arctic Report Card is issued annually since 2006, provides reliable and concise environmental information on the Arctic's current state compared to historical records. Arctic Vision and Strategies. NOAA has numerous and diverse capability that support scientific stewardship and management needs in Arctic region. A strategic approach that leverages NOAA's existing priorities and strength as well as those of our national and international partners is needed to guide the process. A vision plan and structure for supporting NOAA's activities in the Arctic are characterized in the following documents. NOAA will focus its effort on the following six priority goals needed to realize this vision: forecast sea ice, strengthen foundational science to understand and detect Arctic climate and ecosystem changes, improve weather and water forecasts and warnings, enhance international and national partnership. Fifth, improve stewardship and management of ocean and coastal resources in the Arctic. Sixth, advance resilient and healthy Arctic communities and economies. This is Russia and in the middle, Bering Sea, Chukchi Sea, Arctic Circle, and on right side, Canada, Alaska. Lower is Alatian chain, Alatian chain, Alatian chain. The Arctic Circle, according to Arctic Research and Policy Act of 1984, can be defined as all the lands and water above the Black Line. Map modified from Williams DM and Richmond CL 2021. Dot shows annual maximum sea ice extent March 2020, and black line shows Arctic Research and Policy Act geographic extent, and dash line shows 10 degrees Celsius isotherm July 2020. NOAA partners with scientific and governmental collaborators, non-governmental organizations, industry, academia, and local and indigenous communities to meet research, stewardship, and management needs in Alaska and Arctic. This is all about Arctic Report Card 2024.